Hi, beautiful scholars. You're welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're very much welcome. On this channel, we chase opportunities like our lives depend on it, because actually they do. So today we are diving into something scientific, something very competitive, an opportunity you shouldn't miss: the NIG Internship Program in Japan. So before we start, real quick, internships are like mini scholarships. So they give you a certain exposure, they give you a certain experience, especially in research. They give you confidence to be able to pursue the career which you are pursuing, especially in research, as I mentioned. And also, they give you stories that you can sprinkle all over your future applications for scholarships, for other opportunities, for jobs, and so on. So, do not miss out on these internship opportunities. Do not skip them when you are hunting for scholarships. So, make them your best friends. Don't sleep on them. Okay, now to the matter of the day. Today, we are talking about the NIG intern, as I said, National Institute of Genetics in Japan, and they accept applications from pre-final year undergraduates and pre-final year postgraduates. So if you're not in your pre-final year, meaning the year before your graduation year, you're not eligible. Those who are in their first years of in a 4-year program, second year in a 4-year program, and so on, you are not eligible. PhD students are also not eligible. So sorry. So as I mentioned before, it is really competitive. Like trying to fight a crowd for Black Friday discounts, kind of competitive. So you should really get prepared if you want to apply to this opportunity. So as a NIC intern, what would you do? You will be able to conduct independent research under the mentorship of top tier investigators or top tier researchers. Definitely, you will be mentored by top professors in the National Institute of Genetics. Depending on their field of interest, you'll be working around that particular aspect. So let's open the host laboratory page together. On this page, you can see the different laboratories, the different host investigator page. You can find the different fields which these host laboratories work around: bioinformatics, biophysics, and structural biology, and so on. So you also see a list of the laboratories that are available in this institution. And beside that, in the middle, you have the name of the host investigator. After that, you have selected fields which that laboratory's work or publications are centered around. So definitely you would be matched with someone, a host laboratory or host investigator whose work aligns most closely with your goals or with your experience and your career plans. So that's it. For a week or for a few weeks, you're going to be a mini scientist living your best research life. Can you imagine that? So, all right. Away from that, as a NIC intern, what will you be doing? You would, in addition to carrying out independent research, you're also free to attend graduate program lectures. You're also free to attend journal clubs. Yes, you'll be discussing papers, and seminars too with very smart and well-grounded scientists. So you'll be getting knowledge upon knowledge upon knowledge for your time in NIC intern program. All right, so we have, as we said before, some people's hearts are going to be broken. People who are not eligible, PhD students, those who are not in their pre-final year, those who are in their first year, second year of a 4-year program, for example, third year of a 5-year program, and so on. Those who are in their final years, they are not eligible. So those who are also just trying their luck. Sorry, because of course, if this scholarship is this competitive, we said that it's a very competitive scholarship. You can see from the information on the page, last year out of 1,000 or so, only 6 people were eligible, or 6 people were picked. So it is very, very competitive. And if you're just trying your luck, definitely you're going to fail, because it can be seen right through your application. And if you think that deadlines are just a suggestion, as we have said before, you should always try to follow timelines. Write down your own timelines. Make sure that you submit your applications before the deadlines. So here we have an application timeline. It's the window is from the 1st to the 5th of January. So applications are ongoing. You should definitely start applying like now. So don't be the person who comes in January on the 6th and you're like, can I still apply? No, you can't. You should follow the deadlines, follow timelines, please. All right. The funding, which is the important T of every opportunity that we look for. This program used to be fully funded, used to be, but now in 2026, the program only covers the round trip airfare for the people who are going to be successful and your travel insurance. Everything else, you're going to take care of that. your accommodation, your food, transport, and coffee, of course, to stay alive because you're a scientist. All right. Okay. So the internship period is a fixed period between June and July. So it's not that long, but it's going to be fruitful, of course. And you're not allowed to extend it. You're not allowed to shorten it. You're not allowed to give excuses, by the way. So there are no exceptions. The only thing that you can do is after, if you want to extend after your period of internship, maybe your host investigator will have to continue with I don't know, with sponsoring you. So after that, your accommodation, of course, which you are taking care of, and every other thing will not be affiliated with the NIG intern again. For them, you have finished your scholarship already. We have an application guide, which is something we have with most opportunities. You have an application guide to be able to guide you step by step processes, what you need as documents, what you need to know before you apply, and all of that. So you have the application guide, which you can go through yourself on the page. But if you have other concerns concerning application to this particular scholarship or any this particular internship or any other opportunity that you come across, you can contact this page or you can contact me through the email that will be written here. So that's everything you need to know about the NIG intern program. If you love genetics, molecular biology, you're into research, especially in life sciences, anything DNA related, especially, then this is an opportunity that you shouldn't miss. You are definitely very talented. You are definitely very smart and intelligent. And if you apply for this with all your heart, if you really want this, you're going to get it. So if this video was helpful, you should definitely like the video, share with other people whom you think this might be helpful for so that they could also see, learn, and apply to this particular internship opportunity.